Gunman chopped in Grand Spence St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man has been arrested and a firearm and 11 rounds of ammunition seized following a shooting and a chopping incident in Morgan's Lane, Grand Spence St. Andrew on Thursday, March 17. Reports from the Constant Spring Police are that at about 7:30 p.m., 3 men were involved in an altercation during which one of the men left the area and returned with a firearm. With the firearm, he fired several shots at the individuals, injuring both of them. One of the men who was shot subsequently used a machete to chop the alleged gunman. The gunman then fled the scene and a report was made to the police. The police pursued some lead which led to the arrest of the alleged gunman. All 3 individuals were subsequently taken to hospital for treatment and the alleged gunman placed on the police guard. The general area where the incident occurred was searched and a 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 11 9mm rounds of ammunition was found at a nearby premises. The investigation continues into the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.